Alright, so what I'm going to do with these bolts, actually position them back. Right, so that one is the mechanism. So that one will be the last one. So I'm going to leave that attached. Give that a good clean up. Again, the choke bar as it came out, move to one side. Again, remove the rubbers. Obviously this end is a cap one side and a rubber the other. Again, position them on the bar so I know where they are. Right, so that's what I'm left with. Basically all the carbs are apart from all the brackets, so that means I can now basically give these a really good clean, get all that black paint off them, clean them up and make them nice. Alright, next job to do, start stripping down each carb and bagging it as I go. Alright, so let's start stripping apart this first carb. It should come apart as one complete. Again, like I say, these will get bagged up, marked up per carb. Again, all that will be cleared out. pin out. Right, and that's it, basically stripped. So all this needs to be taken apart. I need to remove this gasket, give that a clean up, clean the caps. I'm more than likely going to replace the jets, probably replace the screws, clean the floats up. I'm going to bag all that. Need to see if this mechanism comes apart. So that'll be the next one. Alright, so that just undid with a 14mm. Again, that needs to be cleared up. Apart from that, that's the first one apart. That's one carb apart. I just need to repeat it for the other three. Alright, managed to get the gasket off. Started to give it a clean around the top. I just ran wire brush. And most of the paint just flaked off, so that's a good sign. So I should be able to clean these up. Again, the caps, quick clean around the sides. I should be able to polish these, get this gasket off. Right, I'm going to continue on and strip the other three. Join me again in a few minutes. Right, just on the last one, just finishing it off. Everything's apart. The problem is that main plunger, the top end snapped. Which are these bits. And that's just not moving, but that has to come out. just going to trade up the rest of the parts. Put some lubricant down it to see if that will shift it. But basically that is down inside there, so that is actually caught inside. Maybe that needle's bent. So I need to get that out and get a replacement. But basically every carb is broken down, all bagged up. So I just need to get that out. And the only other problem I had as well was the head of one of these screws is actually started to wear. It's stuck. Again, lubricated it, see what will happen. So you can see that shaft is actually bent, so I need to try and get that out. But that's the basic breakdown. I say there's all the bracketry and the choke lever pole and the actual main slide where all the carbs are connected to. So that all needs to be stripped and cleaned. As I say, the caps I can strip and clean. Most of the innards I'll be replacing. But basically next episode will be starting to clean up all these parts. Alright, just before I wrap up for today, finally managed to get that out. Put some more lubricant down in there. It managed to free it up. But that's going to have to be replaced. So as I say, that about wraps it up for today. All the carbs are broken down, which is great. So I've just got one jet to get out. The screw head is starting to go funny. I don't want to push it anymore, so I'm going to lubricate that up again, let it soak in. Hopefully I can get that out. But as I say, I can clean up all the other parts. I'll strip this one down, take all the springs out, see if I can clean that up. Right, thanks for joining me on that one. Hope that one was helpful. As I say, a bit of a learning curve for me in some respects, because obviously I haven't really dealt with this kind of carburetor before. Especially with like the tap it and adjusters on it, etc. But it's all good to learn. As usual, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner, so please like and subscribe. It is important to me. I am a growing channel. Also hit your notifications, the little bell icon, so as soon as a video comes out you'll be the first to know. Link to my Patreon is in the bottom left hand corner, so if you wish to support the channel, which any donations are most appreciative, hit that. It will take you straight to the Patreon, my Patreon site, and you can sign up there. Links to other videos top left and top right, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.